What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. First off, if you missed my last video that I just posted a day or two ago, it was Prime Day, July 17th. I did $64,000 in sales that day. Make sure you watch that video so you can see all the behind the scenes. Today I am headed to the Zon Guru Seller Insights meetup, which is a meetup that I spoke at 2 months ago. There's a full talk Q&A and all of that already on the channel where you can see me speak. Today I'm going because my friend Tom Wong is speaking, and it should be cool to just meet up with people. Also meeting up with Paul, who does my funnels and Facebook ads, meeting him in downtown LA first, so let's get going. Those of you that don't know, this is Jessica, my girlfriend. She hasn't been in the vlog in like the past few vlogs, so if you haven't met her before,
but I've been in the same room, so. Yeah,
I've been just doing more like straight to the point videos, but back to the usual style in this one. We'll see how it goes, but this is Jessica.
Hi.
She's been selling on eBay recently, just like flipping on the side type of stuff, which is honestly like so many of you that aren't ready to sell on sell private label, Amazon FBA, build something scalable. It's like, dude, that is the best way to get started. Everyone's just like, I need to make a few bucks. Like, say like one flip, like something that you, like how you did like the $5 into like 80 bucks or whatever, right?
Oh like, yeah, I found like, for girls out there who know their designer jeans, I went to some random thrift store and I found a brand new with tags Page jeans for men that usually go for like 80 bucks or 100 bucks. It depends on the style, and I found one of those. So, and
how much did you buy it for?
$6.45.
And so how much will it sell for?
90.
Right, so do you have, what was it, $6? I already forgot.
Yeah,
okay, $6. Like, do you have $6? You probably do. You might not have thousands to get started, but like the ROI of that is so much higher. Like literally, the ROI is higher. It's just that that isn't scalable, but that's how you get started. You need that nitty gritty fucking hustle to just grab some cash so you can go start playing with other business ideas. So
I wouldn't have done this if it wasn't for Mary.
Oh yeah, shout out to Mary.
Yes, at Feel Good Finds.
We'll link her up Instagram, Feel Good Finds.
Go to her Instagram. She has like 14,000 followers and she thrifts full time and she loves it. We've gone thrifting together and that's how I like got really into it.
Yeah, she's a good friend of ours now, so, and she's really knows her thrifting and has, like, I wasn't able to get Jessica to sell online, but she was, so, I mean.
Well, because Matt was like, he was in the phones category and I'm like, I don't know shit about phones, you know, but yeah, clothes, yeah, I do know.
But really, like, whether it's phones, which is what I used to resell years ago, or it's thrifting women's clothing, whatever it is, like, start with something that you know. If you have expertise about cameras, maybe you can flip cameras and make some side cash.
Or maybe it's about like Game Boys. We just sold a Game Boy to a guy whose name was something like Pokemon Master.
Yeah, like, I mean, you never know. So just, that's a really, really good way. That's what I would personally recommend. Everyone's looking at dropshipping, affiliate marketing. I would personally do reselling, hustle, Craigslist, local Facebook marketplace, you know, hit up your friends and family, sell shit around the house. That's where you should really start, just to get some quick cash. So the new mini camera. You haven't met this camera before.
Dude, that's nice.
It's so easy. Alright, making a quick stop at Erewhon. Our favorite place with Jessica, obviously, but Paul is being initiated to the Erewhon culture.
The cult.
The cult of Erewhon. The Erewhon culture.
It's for a literal little can of yogurt.
We buy this all the time. It's so good.
It's 25.
It's so good. It's so good. Trust me. We got the $11 Blue Magic crazy shit, grass-fed lamb, all other kinds of stuff. Some wings.
I'm about to be inducted into the Erewhon cult.
Paul's got his blue drink as well. And the purple drink. And the blue and the purple. And the lavender lemonade.
Oh my God. This is gorgeous.
It's a true Erewhon experience right here.
It's just gorgeous.
these floors always like this?
That's it? Why is it so dead? Oh, because you're speaking. What's up?
There was one guy by the name of Brian Whitney. He is a lawyer based out of San Fran or San Diego, and he built a six-figure business as well. He helped me to kind of change my mindset of saying, hey, you're not just building an Amazon business, you're building a brand, and there's so many other tools that you can use to utilize, such as Facebook ads, Google ads. Because for me, it's like Amazon, PPC. There's so much you can do on Amazon, but there's so many other things outside of Amazon you can leverage to drive traffic to Amazon to make it more successful and for you to have more competitive advantages. So he was number one.
Wait, say that right now.
So you posted something, amazing seller out there.
Yeah.
Whatever. And then he's like, respond to this.
Yeah.
And I'll answer. I was like, okay, whatever. He's gonna answer, right?
Yeah.
So I just posted it. I posted a question.
Yeah.
And he responded. And I was like, wow, this guy's like.
Wait, which subscriber?
Yeah, yeah. What number subscriber? Number 3.
I was number 3.
That's insane. And where did you come to this meetup from?
I'm from Chicago.
Dude.
And
that's legit.
Yeah, it was a rare opportunity, like Tom was saying, so like random. I was just like, oh, you know, there's a meetup, and so I was like,
dude, that's so awesome. Wow.
so Randy, we were messaging you earlier today.
Yeah, I totally recognize you from your profile picture. I 100%.
Like just
The bulletproof coffee.
To
What's that?
can I have a video of it, or just like?
Oh yeah.
Here.
For sure, dude.
Just
anything you want to do.
I don't know. Just so this man.
Dude, what's up? This guy came from Chicago.
I'm from Chicago.
3rd subscriber. Number 3.
Number 3.
It's crazy.
3rd.
So awesome, dude.
I think this may be my first YouTube video.
Dude.
First YouTube video.
Here's what you do. You put my name in it, and that'll help it. I promise it'll help. It'll help because like people search that, or it'll show up in like the suggested next to my videos if you do that.
This guy is
Good tactic.
100%.
Yeah. It's kind of like just a patience thing, you know. You know, it doesn't have to be like the major like extravaganza launch is like the way it was a few years ago. You know, you do the massive blasts. Like, yeah, you should still promote and do a lot of marketing, but like it doesn't all need to be like on one day. Like, let it kind of play itself out. Like, to me, what matters more is like continuous traction than like having this massive blast. For me, I'm a little less methodical than that, but like I'm running some sort of promotion like that every day for maybe the first few weeks. And I'm doing cross promotions. Maybe I'm pricing it a little bit differently, strategically. Also, if it's not like the first product of a new brand, this is why I talk about launching related products. I leverage my existing products. So that is an advantage that I have at this point. But if I was doing it from complete scratch, then yeah, I'd do a little bit more of those things. But for the most part, at this point, I try to leverage a lot of the real estate that I already have and just like cross promote, which also helps with the launch, plus some of those other promotional techniques.
So when you talk about like building a brand, do some of those products not deal with your brand? Like, do you just kind of? I put them
under other brands. So I have multiple brands, and they vary in like how much of a real brand they are. I guess like some of them are like really tight, cohesive brands, but then I have like a 4th brand that's just kind of like, here's the product that I want to do, I'll just kind of put it in that one. So I have ones like that too, but like my top stuff are like all related. Yeah, like, but not across brands, but within the brand. Yeah. Like all these products are related, all these products are related. Yeah, things related. Exactly. Like this is the soap brand. I'm doing soap pumps. I'm doing soap. I'm doing like soap holders. I don't know, like everything's soap brand, and then I'm doing like coffee everything brand, and then gardening, and then I have one brand. I mean, these are made up ones, but like, then the last one's just like, you know, anything like home and kitchen, and just like kind of like, well, I mean, even that's a subcategory, but it's really like just anything that fits for that one. So you can do both, but there's a lot of advantages too, as you know, probably from hearing all the the videos. It's like, yeah, and in the course too, is it's like, there's just a lot of advantages to like, because look, you're doing the first product is the hard one. Like if you can hit it, if you can hit success with one product, like now leverage that for your next one. It's like because you're skipping a step. Like you want to start over at 0, or you want to like leverage a lot of what you already have to like kickstart your next one.
Yeah. So I was trying to figure out like how the branding stuff works, like because I understand like what you're talking about a different brands. Do you name them different things?
Yeah.
I didn't know we could do that. I heard him talking about like different accounts too, so I was like, I thought we couldn't do that either.
So you can definitely do different brands on one account. That's for sure. So there's just a negative to it, which is that it is going to be a little more complicated. Like if you were to try to sell one brand in the future, that's the main, and because it mixes up all your accounting, everything's all mixed up. But for me, for most people, you should do that method because there's so much less barriers to like start a new brand. Because you can just like try it. You don't have to like, you know, set up a new LLC, get approval for a new account, set up new banking, all of this stuff every time you just want to try another product. So that's the advantage of just putting multiple brands under one account. But the advantage of doing it separate is like, if you really know you're going to do like brand A and brand B and build these things and that's it, and you like really have this trajectory mapped out, then maybe you should just think to make it separate from the beginning because yeah, like so most of mine are together. But for example, like I'm going to start this like really passion brand that I've mentioned. I don't know if we're going to talk about it a little bit. I won't go into it. But like I'm going to start this new thing that I think could be the thing I want to build for the next like, you know, 10, 15 years, like the real brand of my career type of thing. I'm definitely going separate with that one because I just have like major aspirations for that one. But if I was just like launching another small brand, I'd probably just throw it in with another one. So yeah. But either work. Yeah, just pros. Neither is perfect. Yeah, you know. You did great. That was an awesome talk.
Thank you.
Is Amazon dead though? I just need to know. Is Amazon dead?
Let me think about that. Or so now.
They think Amazon's dead, so.
You know what? It is dead. Don't sell on Amazon. Delete.
No, keep it. Great to see you.
Always.
Great to see the vlog, to see Tom again.
Because it's like all completely open now.
All right, so that meetup was definitely pretty awesome. It is way past my bedtime. I would say it was a success. It's always like just so fun to meet all of you, and I always just leave feeling like inspired and just humbled that so many of you know who I am and ask me questions, and it's just a really cool experience. So
I have questions.
Yeah.
I don't have a question.
How much do I need to start on Amazon?
$1 million.
But yeah, I think that's it. I hope that I was able to capture some bits and pieces of the talk and the questions with me and stuff like that. So hopefully there were some bits of value in this video. I don't know what it will be called, but that's it. Check out all the links in the description. There's the Facebook group, there's the course, there's all kinds of software. Everything is always down there. Hit the thumbs up. You don't want to forget that. It makes a big difference. And I'll see you guys in the next video.